Hello, you guys. Oh, welcome to our channel. I forgot to do my battle pass. So here today we're gonna play Fortnite. I haven't played Fortnite for a while because I was in a trip in Jakarta, you guys.
Yeah, my skill's kind of dookie now because I haven't touched Fortnite
Yo,
since
slap
a long
juice.
time ago.
My skills are even dookier.
I haven't played.
Yo, why is there a 5-year-old in our server, bro? Why is there a
Okay.
5-year-old?
Why?
It was a
What
joke.
did
It was a joke.
What?
It was a joke.
Really.
Shut the fuck up. It was a joke. Or you're getting banned.
Okay, so okay, I might change my name from I like boobies to I like boobies 445 because that is my name, or Loverboy.
As an EDP 445, so you're a pedophile.
Don't say that in my. Don't say that. Don't say that, bro. Kids are watching.
Guys, something bad happened to me. I dreamt of being in the toilet.
What?
I dreamt of being in a toilet. And you know what happens next? You're gonna have to find out.
Bro, you are like 11. How are you peeing your? How are you peeing in the toilet? Pee in a urinal or something, bro.
you dreamed about peeing in a toilet?
Yeah.
Bro,
Wait.
Giuseppe, don't you get it, Giuseppe? He did not use the urinal.
No. So you wet your bed.
Bro!
I didn't wet the bed. I pooed in the bed.
Oh my
Yo, guys,
god,
my
bro.
90s,
Wait,
my 180.
wait, you guys. Wait, you guys.
I don't have any. I don't have any.
Bill?
Wait, BRB.
Bill?
Yeah.
That guy over there. He's crashing the game.
It doesn't matter, bro.
Oh, well, I guess.
What matters is you gotta have skill and integrity.
Barely build this.
Like that from a Chinese movie. My father says you just have to have integrity. I don't want to be anything. I don't know. It's from a Chinese movie that I saw on TikTok.
Bro,
And
you're.
those TikTok accounts where they like put out movie scenes. Yeah, that's
Okay.
one movie that I don't want to be anything.
You wanna be. Bro, do you wanna be a woman?
You're banned.
What? Why?
no, it was a joke.
You're sitting on his cap.
It doesn't matter. It's funny.
Bro, do you want to be a woman? Cause like, that'll be fun.
Okay, now you're banned. No, just kidding.
Why,
I'm
bro?
kidding.
I thought,
I was only
bro, I
kidding.
thought you wanted to be a woman, so you can go to the woman's bathroom and see some woman.
Oh, yeah, I do want to be a woman actually.
Bro, you
Now
weird.
that I think about it. I'm not weird. It's a normal thing to do.
Oh my god. Let me just jump.
What's your dream?
Should I make it? Yes, I did make it. Oh my oh, I can't. This sucks doo-doo. Wait, what? Why are we playing BR? I thought we were gonna play zero build.
How did you just... Yeah, it shows you haven't touched the game like once.
Yeah.
You
My-
can build. Well done, you can build.
I don't have any math.
I have some. I have. I'm so.
If you complain one more time, you're banned.
I'm not.
Okay.
Don't ban me, cause I didn't complain.
You're banned.
Oh my god, the camera.
You're banned for yachting.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Dibs on the
Dibs on the.
medallion. I mean, dibs on the mythic, the medallion. Dibs on the mythic. There we go.
Oh my god, bro. Oh my god, I don't have any gun. Okay then, dibs on the chest.
Alright.
It's on the chest, remember. I really need the chest item. Bro!
I'm just getting ammo. I'm just getting mats. I'm just getting mats.
Bro, what the hell?
Bro, bro, come on. I need ammo, bro. I need ammo, bro. I need ammo, bro. I need ammo, bro. Give me that. Oh my god, do I not? Oh my god, you guys are selfish. You guys are one selfish donkey butts.
Hey, what?
Don't
Give me
swear.
a sniper or something.
Bro, why? Don't you have a sniper?
I don't. Wallahi, I do not have a sniper.
Oh my god, bro, I'm so sorry for your loss. Bro,
Yeah, my
what
loss
does
is...
bro, what does a snowball launcher does? What does it do?
It's an RPG, except it's kind of worse.
Can you kill people with it, or is it like?
Oh my god,
People
this has no recoil. Wallahi, this has no recoil.
Bro, I need guns. Wait, I need other guns than these.
Hey
Bro.
guys, you wanna see my one?
Wait. Is Frenzy auto shotgun? Which one is a better underbarrel? Is it like vertical laser or is it angled? Okay, then angled. I want to be silent, so I'm gonna use suppressor. Okay. Yeah. Skibbity.
There's someone here.
I'm gonna use drum mag because like it's good. I mean, like why not?
Down one.
I haven't killed anybody yet. So that was
Get those people.
Oh yeah, this.
Bro, can you give me a
Bro, I just no scope that Negro.
mini ammo? I need a mini ammo.
Come here.
Wait, what? You guys are leaving me? Oh my
No,
god.
we're not.
You guys suck. You guys didn't even say that you guys are moving.
You need to move.
Not moving. We're just. Huh?
You're just what?
We're just migrating.
Bro, you are not Mexican.
Bro, you know what migrating means.
Oh my god, don't you know what joke means? Okay. Is there anybody else? Never mind. You just took him out.
I think I just killed C-Day. That was a raptor skin.
Bro, I
mean,
really
I
need
had
a striker AR or something. Cause the only auto things that I have is Frenzy auto shotgun.
Yeah.
Who did I do that to?
Leave Giuseppe. You did that to rear ending.
Let me just get on top of the car. Let me on top of the car at least.
No. Too bad. We're leaving you.
Leave him.
Okay. Get on top of the car. Psych.
You're banned.
No.
Guys, there's a trio.
There's another person. Oh shoot!
Oh my god.
You shot the guy. Then never mind. His loot is ass. I mean, his loot is bad. Why did I swear?
I think that.
What are you, chicken fruity?
Bro, I need bro, these people do not have a good striker AR. They're all bad.
Make your own sniper AR.
Shut up, Giuseppe. Bro, who wants a heal potion?
How did you get that pickaxe? How did you get that pickaxe?
What pickaxe?
That pickaxe you're
pickaxe?
holding.
This pickaxe?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's from like an event in the jungle season, chapter 4.
Oh my god.
Why?
There's no actual gun. Because like,
No, you have this pickaxe. No, you have this pickaxe.
No.
like everybody. Because almost everybody just have this.
Apex is doing something to my aim,
Bruh!
which is making it better. Killed like the whole field. Does anybody have a mini ammo? I have 0.
I will. Okay, I will give you. Oh my god!
I don't
This
have a
guy
lot.
had a lot of ammo. That's all I can say.
And you're not gonna give it to me? Wow.
Okay, I have 4. Bro, come here. You want a mini ammo?
Yeah.
Well, say please, daddy. Say please, daddy.
You're banned. You're banned.
He.
Yay! Yes, kid.
You just took all of it. Oh my god. You don't even say yes, daddy.
I said yes, king. That's enough.
That's not enough. Give me some
You're
more.
banned.
Give me some more, big boy.
You're banned.
I am not banned. Why you keep saying I'm banned? Why you keep saying you're banned?
Cause I'm queso.
Quesadilla. Oh
Yeah.
my god,
Not-
I need
not-
to go
not
to the
queso,
vault.
the case,
Bro.
not case. Oh, like I'm the food queso.
I need a oh my god, this thing is so loud. I need a suppressor.
Remove the evidence.
He's done shooting.
Why does like almost anything has consequences?
Are these people not really building?
Not. I think I just bought.
Oh yeah, I forgot. I can build. Oh my god.
Yeah. This loadout is actually insane. It has no recoil whatsoever.
Okay, I have no recoil. Oh my god, my gun is so loud, bro. I need a suppressor.
Bro, you know what has a recoil?
What?
My belly.
You're banned. You're banned. That's what you always say, bro.
Yeah, what about it? It's supposed to be a joke. Like, what, dude? What? What? What?
Bro, dibs
What?
on.
No, no,
Bro, dibs
what?
on any legendary. Dibs on any
What?
legendary.
What? What is what? What?
Bro, I want to follow you guys, but I'm too lazy to.
What?
What?
What legendary? What are you talking about?
Okay, I'm just trying to go here.
That's a whale. Super fast. You're only gonna get wares.
Well, too bad. I've been waiting here.
What a dope.
Now I need my money back. Okay, not bad. I have bullets now.
Oh,
And
you.
there's 2 epic iron wall.
Why the hell did I go here? This is so not worth it. This is
There's
wasting
2
my time.
epic shotguns. If anybody wants that, I shot at the guy for that.
What shotgun is it? Is it a frenzy auto?
It's a iron thump thingy.
I do not know what that is.
It's a jigaboo.
Bro, you guys, don't leave me here.
Sha. We should go there. Sha. Who has a medallion? I need shields.
Bro, I can give you a shield potion.
Yes, please.
Okay, but do you have a... Okay, but can you name me what is your best gun that you have?
I only have 3 guns that I'm using.
How the?
Okay, do you have any legendaries?
No.
Do you have any epic?
Yeah, no. I have a mythic, two blues, and 1 mythic.
What is the blues?
Thunderburst SMG and a sniper.
Okay, okay, you know what? I'm still gonna give it to you because I'm nice. But dibs on any legend. Oh my god, you scared me, bro. You scared me. You said
You scared me.
You scared me. I
You
thought
scared me.
shockwave grenade. Ooh, gonna be mischievous.
Wait, where's the workshop again?
I want to be mischievous, but like. Is there any fountain here?
Where's the workshop thing?
I needed that.
Okay, that's in this room.
Oh! I needed that so bad. You guys, let's come over here. This one ending legendary.
Dibs
It's on
on,
the FX.
dibs on the any SMG that I see.
This one any legendary that I see.
Dibs on not dying. Okay.
Okay, please legendary. No, okay, there's one legendary. What is it? Anderson Nemesis AR. Ooh, is it
I'm not taking all that. I'm not taking all that.
I'm taking it.
taking this?
We should go now. We should go.
Wait, what gun is?
Why?
Yo, is that a hyper SMG? Yeah, it is.
Oh, get out of there. Get out of there. Where you were gonna? Oh.
Oh my god. Wait, bro. Wait, wait, Adil, wait. Oh my god, I see no bouncy. All I see is just this. Two shank blunts.
There's literally people above me.
Too bad.
Ah, there's somebody here. There's somebody here.
That's okay. I have a good striker
I know.
Somebody.
I'm coming.
I'm
Hopefully I'm
coming.
there.
I'm coming. And I think I'm pretty far away from you. Yes, I am. Oh my god. I'm sorry, you guys, if this is pretty boring because I keep leaving my friend. I just killed a guy. Woohoo! Woohoo for me.
Why did you do it then? I got nothing.
Well, you have this.
Gosh,
You have this. Hey, bro, you have that. Hey, you have that.
Oh wait,
You
yes.
have that.
Oh my god! Oh my god! Why did I do that? Help me!
Cause you're acoustic. Where did you go?
Bro, I was trying to...
We don't talk about that.
I
All we talk about
clipped
is
that, bro! I
death.
clipped that!
We don't talk about it.
Bro, oh my god! I don't care, I clipped that.
You're banned.
Bro, but I'm recording in OBS. How else do I not clip that?
It was a joke. It was a joke.
Oh, that's okay if it is a joke. I forgive you.
You forgot me?
Oh my god, that is literally not what I said, but okay.
There's people here.
I discovered a guy. There's people here.
There's somebody with a medallion. There's somebody with a medallion here. 'Cause I see
I
the map.
saw
Not gonna
footsteps.
lie. This is... I do not... not gonna lie.
Guys.
Not gonna lie. Not gonna
Wait,
lie. That's pretty good.
He's still here. He's still somewhere.
That's pretty good. Even though
He's over here.
I might do a pretty bad trade, but whatever.
Oh, he knows how to build. Oh, he did. Oh, he doesn't.
Give me the medallion.
Here, take it.
I'm pretty bad at building, so yeah.
No, my running gun. My running. That means his teammate has a mythic. I
Well,
don't need the mythic anyway.
Oh my
I
god!
have
Why am
no
I?
need for what to
Why
do.
did I use that? No, I am a negro. Wait, do I go
Wow.
down? How do I jump down? Oh my god, now I just think.
Did you just call yourself a Negro?
Jumblies, hey Jumblies.
Huh?
Do you have any medkits? Look at my health. I'm on 1 HP right now.
Yes, I do.
Thank you. I want 1 HP.
Oh my god, thank you. Thank God. Thank God. Never mind, not thank God.
Why is everybody dying?
We're not crowd.
I didn't die. I didn't die. Just took damage. A lot of it.
I need a med kit.
Open up.
Bro, where did you? Oh,
I want some help.
Thank you, you guys. But I need a med kit.
I have a medkit. Come over here.
Thank you. Now I'm gonna give you the shield.
Sky basing, really? Cringe. This is not 2018. This is not 2018.
Wait, I'm trying to grab my item back. Ooh.
You don't need it if it's in the zone.
Too bad, I already took it. I needed it.
I got 3 guns. And nothing else in my inventory.
Okay, what is the gun?
I got 3 guns.
Okay, but what is the gun?
Two
It's an
V2.
AR, shotgun, and an SMG.
Guys, keep your eyes peeled. It's a 2v2 v2.
Why do
If
you
I was a
have a 2
bloodhound, we
auto?
could touch him. If I was a
Where's
bloodhound,
our
we could
shotgun? You need a shotgun, brother.
touch- Over there, over there.
I know.
Wait, is that us?
Yo, there's someone!
Not one of my
There's someone! He's skybasing, really? Oh my god, where's the other guy?
What the freak?
What the hell? What the hell? What the hell? What? Are you kidding?
But they're over there, they're over there. They're coming over there.
Oh my god, he has a ballistic shield! Good.
I literally can't say anything. There's so much chaos right now.
Bro, there's another guy! Help me! Oh, not really help me, but it's like, please cover up for me.
Why? Do something!
Okay, you know, this gun is pretty useless. I'm not using it.
No!
Well, that kill was totally mine. Yes! Victory Royale! We cracked that Fortnite, even though I was,
I headshotted him, I headshotted him, I headshotted him.
even though I was carried, we're still cracked at Fortnite. So you guys, have a good night. See you guys later. Bro, someone just dropped their crown. Who just dropped their crown? Okay,
Oh,
but
fuck.
anyways, you guys, have a good night. See you guys later. Goodbye. Bye.